Have you ever gazed into the night sky, lost in its vastness, and wondered if the universe is listening to your deepest desires? We've all had dreams, wishes, things we've longed for. Sometimes they feel like distant fantasies, too elusive to grasp. But what if there was a way to transform those dreams into reality, a cosmic dance between your desires and the universe's energies? Welcome to the world of manifestation, a realm where thoughts weave the fabric of reality, where intentions set forth ripples in the cosmic ocean. Join us as we journey through the mysteries of manifesting, discovering the art of turning fleeting footprints into lasting legacies. Understanding manifestation. At its core, manifestation is the universe's most intricate dance. It's the process through which our innermost thoughts, desires, and energies interact with the vast cosmos, giving form to the formless. But what exactly is manifestation? Is it mere wishful thinking, or is there a deeper science behind it? Historically, civilizations across the world have believed in the power of intention. They recognize that our minds are not just passive observers, but active participants in crafting reality. Modern science, too, in its quest to understand the universe's secrets, has stumbled upon fascinating phenomena that echo these ancient beliefs. Whether you approach manifestation from a spiritual perspective or a scientific one, the essence remains the same. It's about alignment, resonance, and harmony between our inner world and the universe at large. The role of thoughts and emotions. Picture a tranquil lake, its surface a perfect mirror. Now imagine dropping a pebble into it. The ripples spread, altering the reflection. Our thoughts and emotions are much like that pebble. They create ripples in the universe, influencing the world we experience. Thoughts, born in the neural mazes of our brain, are powerful seeds. When watered with emotion, they grow, taking root in the fabric of reality. Emotions amplify our thoughts. They are the energy, the charge that propels our desires into the universe. But it's essential to navigate these emotional waters wisely. While positive emotions amplify our manifestations, negative ones can create barriers, blocking our desired outcomes. In the art of manifesting, understanding and mastering our emotions is key. They are the bridge between our inner desires and the external world. The law of attraction. In the boundless expanse of the universe, there's a force, silent yet potent, that draws entities towards each other. This magnetic pull is the essence of the law of attraction. Simply put, the law of attraction states, like attracts like. Just as a magnet draws towards it what resonates with its nature, so do our thoughts and emotions attract corresponding energies from the universe. Imagine standing at life's crossroads. The path you focus on, whether filled with hope and positivity or doubt and fear, becomes the journey you embark upon. When you deeply desire and believe in something, when you infuse your dreams with positivity and passion, the universe conspires to make it a reality. But remember, just as plants grow towards the light, the law of attraction requires alignment. It's not about merely wanting, it's about aligning your entire being, thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. Key principles of effective manifesting. Much like a garden, the seeds of our desires need the right conditions to flourish. Manifestation, too, thrives on certain principles. Firstly, clarity. Be specific about what you wish to manifest. Just as a gardener knows the plants they wish to cultivate, you must have a clear vision of your desires. The universe responds to precision. A vague wish is like a blurred star, but with clarity it shines brilliantly, guiding you forward. Next, intention. The purity of your intention acts as the soul of your manifestation. It's essential to desire from a place of love, growth, and service. Belief is your bridge. Doubt creates gaps, making the journey to your dreams perilous, but unwavering belief paves a steady path. Lastly, alignment. Dreams without action remain just that, dreams. To manifest, align your actions with your intentions. Row your boat in the direction of your dreams, and the currents of the universe will propel you forward. When these principles come together, they form a harmonious symphony, a manifestation mosaic that turns the abstract into tangible, dreams into lived realities. Tools and techniques. Just as an artist has brushes, paints, and canvases, a manifester has tools and techniques to shape their desires into existence. Let's explore some of the most potent ones. Visualization is the art of mentally constructing your desires. It's like a rehearsal where you experience your dreams in the theater of your mind, making them more tangible for the universe. Affirmations are positive statements, reinforcing belief and intention. Repeated with conviction, they rewire the mind, aligning it with desired outcomes. Journaling is a dialogue with the universe. Through scripting, you write the story of your future, creating a blueprint for the universe to follow. Meditation is the silent communion with your inner self and the universe. Mindfulness keeps you present, ensuring you act with intention and awareness. While these tools are powerful, remember they are but extensions of your inner power. It's the heart, intention, and belief behind them that truly magnifies their magic. Overcoming common manifestation blocks. Every journey, no matter the path, encounters obstacles. Manifestation, too, has its challenges, but with awareness, these blocks become stepping stones. Doubt casts shadows on your manifestation path. Old beliefs, past failures, or societal conditioning can create mental barriers. Recognizing and challenging these beliefs is the first step to clearing the path. Manifestation is a dance with the universe, and sometimes it takes time. Impatience can stifle the growth of your desires. Trust in divine timing. Consistency fuels the manifestation flame. Occasional bursts of energy won't sustain the journey. Regular practice, however, builds momentum and strength. With awareness and proactive steps, these blocks can be transformed. Instead of hindrances, they become lessons, guiding and refining your manifestation journey. Celebrating small wins. In the cosmic expanse, every star shines with its unique brilliance, no matter how big or small. Similarly, in the journey of manifestation, every victory, every realization holds significance. It's easy to get lost in the pursuit of grand dreams and overlook the smaller manifestations. But these moments, these small wins, are stepping stones, building your trust in the process. Celebrate these moments, document them, feel gratitude for them. They are proof that the universe is listening, responding, and co-creating with you. By acknowledging and celebrating these moments, you amplify your vibrational frequency, aligning more closely with your grander desires and dreams. Advanced concepts. As with any journey, the deeper you delve into manifestation, the more intricate and profound the concepts become. For those ready to go beyond the surface, the universe has many secrets to unveil. Synchronicities are the universe's way of winking at you. These meaningful coincidences or signs are affirmations that you're on the right path, that the cosmos is conspiring in your favor. Our minds are like icebergs. While we operate with our conscious thoughts, it's the vast subconscious below that holds deeply ingrained beliefs and patterns. Tapping into and aligning this subconscious realm can supercharge your manifesting potential. The realm of quantum physics. where particles dance in mysterious ways, offers fascinating insights into manifestation. The idea that our observation can influence reality resonates deeply with manifesting principles. These advanced concepts, while complex, offer a richer, more nuanced understanding of manifestation. They bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science, between the soul's desires and the universe's mysteries. Practical steps to begin manifesting. Embarking on the manifestation journey might seem overwhelming, but remember, every grand voyage begins with simple steps. Here are some practical ways to start harnessing the universe's energies. Begin your day with a positive affirmation. Let it be your mantra, setting the tone and intention for the day ahead. Dedicate a few minutes daily to visualize your goals. Feel them, experience them, and let the emotions associated with your dreams fill you. End your day by noting down things you're grateful for. Gratitude amplifies positive vibrations, attracting more blessings. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Even amidst chaos, find moments to center yourself, to be present and connected. These steps, while simple, lay the foundation for a deeper connection with the universe. As you practice, as you believe, the path unfolds, guiding you towards your heart's true desires. Embracing the infinite possibilities. In this boundless cosmos, amidst its infinite wonders, lies a potent force, the power of manifestation, the magic of turning thought into reality. You've begun a journey, your dance with the universe. You've explored the depths of manifestation, from its basic principles to its advanced secrets. Remember, at the heart of manifestation lies a simple truth. We are all connected. Our thoughts, our desires, our energies, they intertwine with the universe, crafting our unique stories. Embrace your journey with an open heart. Celebrate the small wins. Learn from the challenges and always believe in the infinite possibilities that await. If you found this guide helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more insights and share your manifestation experiences, questions, or stories in the comments below. Remember, the universe is listening always. Let just meta wisdom guide the way.